Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about activated charcoal. And if you're wondering what it is, I literally don't know. Just kidding, I found out about it yesterday, but I've been seeing people do it on social media and I've always wanted to try it and see what it's like. It looks crazy. It seriously looks insane, but I promise, it works somehow. I'm going to test it out for you guys so you can see for yourself. It might not look dramatically different, but you can definitely tell a slight difference, which I think over time gets better. This is for coffee stains, wine stains. You know I like my wine. Tea stains. I'd like to say my teeth are white, but you know what? Not as white as they can be. So anyways, this is it. I got it from TJ Maxx for $6.99. And yes, I looked it up on Amazon before I bought it, and it was like $20 on Amazon, so it was a steal. This is by OLIVIA Care, and it is the activated charcoal tooth polish. It is literally a powder, so it's messy, and it's definitely gonna get everywhere, and it's black. You might wanna make sure you're not wearing your favorite white outfit, or that you are doing this in your parents' bathroom because they might kill you. So I'm gonna open it up for you guys. Oh, and let me just read the back for you, because obviously what I'm saying is just off the top of my head. I honestly don't know too much about this because I just bought it yesterday. And look, I already have black stuff on my fingers, so it is messy, be careful. Whiten your teeth the natural way with activated charcoal tooth polish. Activated charcoal binds to stains on teeth, such as coffee, tea, and wine, to help remove, leaving teeth whiter and brighter. The antibacterial and antifungal properties of activated charcoal promote good oral health by helping to fight against cavities, bad breath, and gum diseases. I don't know about all that, but we'll see. Naturally abrasive white clay gently scrubs and polishes teeth while stimulating the gums. Enriched with peppermint essential oils, our activated charcoal tooth polish will leave your breath fresh and clean. Now, I've tried this once before, well, last night, and it doesn't taste like anything. So I don't know what they're talking about, but let's just get to it, okay? Let's do it. So if I tilt it over, it'll probably fall, but yeah, you can see black powder. Don't mess with it. Just put it on your teeth, okay? You got this. All right, now, okay, you're gonna have to have a handy dandy toothbrush because you don't wanna be doing this with your fingers. Anyways, oh yeah, okay. The directions say, I forgot about this, that you have to wet the toothbrush first. So, and then after you have your toothbrush wet, you take your little charcoal dipping thing over here and you just literally dip in. And okay, so look at that. Nice and charcoaly, just how I like it. Now it says to do it for 2 minutes in round circular motions on your teeth, so let's get to it. This definitely messed up my makeup. I look like a mess. So I have black stuff all in my sink. I look like I have a 5 p.m. aftershave. Or, no, not a 5 p.m. aftershave. Like I haven't shaved in like years. Cause this black stuff left a mark. Okay. Gotta get the rest of the black stuff out of my teeth. I'm like spitting up black stuff, okay? So bear with me. This is not the like most like beautiful thing you'll ever see in your life. You know, just some girl trying to get some black stuff out of her teeth. It's not pretty. Anyways, not bad. Okay, besides the fact that you guys probably saw the most disgusting thing that you'll ever see me do, what do you think? Anyways, I think this product is pretty good. I mean, it's definitely like very interesting to see yourself, you know, all seeping out of the mouth, kind of looking like you're coming out of a horror movie or something, but I mean, I think it's pretty good. It doesn't taste like anything, so if you're worried about that, then we have nothing to worry about. I mean, the first time I did this, my toothbrush didn't really get too stained. After the second time, you can definitely tell that my toothbrush got it a little bit darker than it's supposed to. But yeah, not bad. What are you doing? You're not supposed to be in this video. Okay. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys will try it. And definitely, or if you want to, subscribe. But you should. Subscribe. See you guys later.